Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gillian and I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to show you guys the most delicious mango ice cream recipe ever. This is only 2 ingredients. I discovered it and I just had to share it. You guys are going to love it. Even my daughter loves it, right? So it's a great alternative to traditional ice cream for kids, and adults love it as well. So this will be a short little recipe and it's absolutely amazing. Let's get right into it. And we have my little helper here, May, and she loves being in my videos. I know you guys love her so much, I wanted to have her here. So with this recipe, I use frozen mangoes, and I usually use 1 bag of frozen mangoes. So this one here is about 600 grams for 1 portion, you guys. And then you'll want to have 1 passion fruit as well. And these 2 things together is so delicious. Do you want to hold that and I'll pour the mangoes in? So to make this ice cream a nice consistency and to have it blend really good, what I usually do is take the mangoes out of the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes before I'm going to make the ice cream. And then it's easier to blend and it's just like a perfect thickness. And here we have our passion fruit, which I will add, and it's so high in antioxidants, so delicious, just adds so much flavor. So I'll put that in. Alright, so I use a Vitamix for this. It blends it so nice. And a tip, when you're going to start the Vitamix a little lower and then work your way turning up. So let me make sure we're plugged in. And then let's go. Okay, there we go. That's it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. It is seriously so good, so vibrant, makes you feel amazing. It doesn't make you feel all bloated and kind of gross after like some traditional ice cream can. So let me plate this. May will try this and show you guys how good it is. Look at that, it's so good.
Looks really good.
Looks so good. Okay, there we go, guys. It is so delicious. You want to try some? Good? Yeah, you like it? Yeah? Let's try some.
It's really good.
So good. I can't recommend this enough. I really wanted to share it with you guys. I encourage you to go try it today. It's so easy, so good. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up right now. Make sure you guys subscribe if you don't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.